again. It's your Splash team, and we're going to do another Fitbit. This one is called Tossed Salad.
My name's Mr. Kevin.
Mr. Winchell.
And I'm Miss Middleton. A salad usually starts with some kind of lettuce, and then you add other foods such as vegetables, fruits, nuts, cheese, and even little pieces of meat. Mr. Kevin, what kinds of foods do you like to put in a salad?
Let me think. I personally love snap peas.
Mr. Winchell, what do you like to put in a salad?
Mr. Winchell loves tomatoes.
They're pretty good.
And I'm going to add some yummy, tasty spinach to our salad.
I got a little bit more. I think I'm going to go a little crazy and add a grape.
Yay for grapes.
My favorite thing to put in salad is carrots.
I wonder why, Mr. Winchell. I'm going to put some yummy, delicious strawberries to sweeten up our salad.
Wait, I got one more.
Okay,
I'm going to put some avocado in there.
great. All right.
Can I go? One more?
One more.
Oh!
Maybe my
And the
favorite
salad.
is a yummy mushroom.
Ooh, yeah, that sounds so good.
All right. Now that we have our lettuce and all these other ingredients and all these fruits and vegetables to put in our salad, now we have to mix the salad. How do you guys think we should mix our salad? We need to toss it.
Yeah. Well, I think you should try and kind of toss it up there and see if you can keep it all in a bowl.
I don't know. I think it might fall out.
No, you can do it.
I don't know. Would you try,
Sure,
Mr. Kevin?
I'll try. Let's see. Oh, no, my avocados.
Yay! Good
Yeah,
job, Mr.
thank
Kevin.
you.
Mr. Winchell, can you think of another way that we can toss our salad?
I think that we should wiggle around it.
Oh,
All right,
All
let's
right.
set it down. And here we go.
look at it move. Wow,
Yeah.
my goodness. That
All right,
salad looks
let's go.
delicious.
It's definitely tossed. I bet you can think of other things to put in your tossed salad at home and think of an exercise to help you toss the salad.